It is Journeys retractor, which is used while making and closing abdominal incision for ease of working in the deeper layers. It can also be used to retract pectoralis major in modified radical mastectomy for better visualization during axillary dissection. It can be used from both sides, this way and this way, for retracting the tissue to better visualize the deeper structures. It is Devers retractor. It is used in cholecystectomy for retraction of right lobe of liver. Used in truncal vagotomy for the retraction of left lobe of liver. Can also be used in kidney operations to retract anterior abdominal wall. It is malleable metallic probe. You can see how much easily it can bend, means it is malleable without breaking. It is mainly used in fistulectomies. Can also be used to assess depth of penetrating injuries and used to assess the length of sinus. It is Lahey's right angled forceps. You can see a right angle forming over here. It is used to dissect the cystic duct and cystic artery in cholecystectomy. Used in vagotomy to dissect the vagus nerve and pass ligatures around them before division. It can also be used in thyroid surgeries to dissect and ligate middle thyroid vein and superior thyroid pedicle. This is Desjardins choledocholithotomy forceps. It is used to remove stones from common bile duct. It is also used to remove stone from kidney, urinary bladder. You can see the gap in this, which is mainly for the better gripping of the stones.